everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna share with you my current favorites videos. I haven't done a favorites video for the longest time. I even don't remember the last time I uploaded my favorites video. It was in 2017, so it's been a long time. During that time, of course, I gained a lot of new favorites. I want to share with you the ones that I've been using a lot. Let's begin with my favorites. The first one will be this palette from Persona Cosmetics. I did a review. I purchased a couple of their products. It's super pretty. I love these shades, especially the pink one. It's super pigmented. All of them are such a cool shades and I love to use them, especially now with the warmer weather coming for spring, summer. I love these shades and they really complement brown eyes, also green eyes like mine. So I really enjoy using that palette. I love that it comes with a mirror so you can do your makeup, and it's super also travel friendly. You can take it with you everywhere, anywhere, and I really enjoy it. Just a big shout out to Persona Cosmetics. I love the packaging. It's super sleek, pretty, and she did a great job creating this palette. Next favorite is again a palette, and this is by Dior. I did a review on that palette last summer when the palette came out on the market. This is from their Backstage collection, and this palette is the glow palette. So they have like contouring palette, but this one is the glow palette, and I haven't stopped using that palette since then. This is my go-to palette when I want to achieve really pretty, natural, glowy makeup. Skin, it's really buildable. You can intensify it to really beaming highlighter if you're into it. I love the variety of shades in the palette. You have some pretty vanilla, golden, really pretty deep shade, which I'm using mostly. That one I'm using mostly for as an eyeshadow, and this pretty pinky shade. They are gorgeous. I'm using the palette all the time. This is my go-to highlighting palette. It's basically the highlighter I'm using every single day. After I am done with my makeup, I spritz a little bit of setting spray, then I apply this highlighter from Dior, and then if I want to go extra with my highlighter, I will apply some other highlighter, but this is my base for the highlighter because it's super pretty. It looks super natural. It's like glow from within, which I am absolutely into. So yeah, I highly recommend this palette. It's kind of pricey, but I think it's worth the money, and yeah, if you haven't tried it, give it a try. I have one more face product, and this is from the drugstore. This is the Wet n Wild blush, Color Icon blush in the shade Mellow Wine. I did a review recently on a couple of Wet n Wild products. I'm gonna leave the link somewhere here, you can check it out. But yeah, I love this shade. It's perfect, super blendable. So I purchased two of them, but this one is my favorite color. I love this for springtime. It's so pretty, like peachy shade, and I think, yeah, I love the formula. It's super smooth, and on the cheeks, when you apply it on the cheeks, it gives you the prettiest peachy, corally, winey shade. It is, once again, it's called Mellow Wine. Absolutely gorgeous. drugstore blush. If you're on a hunt for drugstore blushes, then check out the Wet n Wild one, especially this color, this shade. It's super pretty. I highly recommend it and I love it so much, so I wanted to share it with you. Next stop, we've got two brushes. I haven't mentioned any brushes again for so long here on my channel, but I want to give a shout out to these two brushes. This is the Zoeva 101 Luxe Face Definer brush. This is how it looks like. I love the shape, look at that. So it's super pretty defined, like it's really, it's like the perfect shape for contour and bronzing. It's like you can really go with your bronzer. This is my current favorite bronzer brush. I've been using it maybe for 1 year now. I really like that brush. I want to mention it, and if you are looking for a great bronzing brush, then give it a try. It's super nice. Look at that. Also, one more from Zoeva, okay? One more Zoeva brush. This is the 129 Luxie Fan Brush. This is basically a fan brush, but I do my highlighter with this brush all the time. I love how you can really build up the highlighter. You can go for really, you can concentrate the highlighter at your at the high points of your cheeks. It's super easy to apply, and the brushes are also really, like, I have it for 1 year now and it is in a pretty good shape, and still you can see. Yeah, so I think it's super pretty, and give it a try. Two Zoeva brushes. It is not sponsored video at all. I wish though. Okay, I have two products to talk about. The next one is the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. I have a review, first impressions video using that mascara. You can check it out. I'm gonna link again the video. But this is the ultimate drugstore mascara. Super easy to apply, and it makes your lashes really long, volumizing, and I love I love this mascara. It's super cheap, it's super affordable. Go check it out, grab it. Last one, again a drugstore. Last product I want to mention in that video, favorites video, is the Maybelline Brow Drama Mascara. Long time favorite product for the brows. I really like to set my brows with that one, and it really gives them really full look, and you can go like that, like me today, for more feathery kind of look. And but you can also use that without a pencil, just use only the mascara, because you have some tint in it. This is in the shade medium brown. They have like for blonde hair or blonde deep brown, not sure, you can check it out, but this one, the medium brown, is my favorite one. It's sometimes it can get a little messy, but you can really get used to applying the product. So these were my favorites. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you want to see more favorites on my channel, more if you want to share with you more products that I am currently loving, and yeah, I would love to do that. Also, do you want to share with you some makeup haul on my channel? Let me know in the comments. Also follow me on Instagram. It's Mariya Marinova. That's basically my name. Also, yeah, I am uploading every Monday and Thursday on my channel, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!